Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can build the shield on the new Zombies map. There are 3 parts and each part has 3 locations. And this is the same shield from Shadows of Evil. This first part is the rocket portion of the shield, and they're doing the same thing like they did in Shadows of Evil. Each part is going to be in 3 locations, but they're all really close together. That first one is up on the stairs right there. The second one is right as you walk into this area. It's going to be on the right. And the third location, if you're looking at that last location, all you have to do is go to the left. You can see the location up the stairs, and then this last spot is right here below this zombie spawn window. Another part you can find is going to be on the other side of the map, and it's in this courtyard here where you see the bell tower and also this building with those stained glass windows. This part is going to be that front part of the shield with the eagle head on it, and it's just to the right of this entrance right here against those boxes. The next location is up the stairs and inside of the bell tower. It's on the left side of this sitting zombie right here against this desk. The last location for this piece is going to be back in the courtyard area. You just go down the stairs and it's going to be on the right, and the bell tower is just like, up there, so you can see where it's at in relation to the courtyard. The last piece, you have to have the power turned on because you need to get underground into that pyramid room. This last part is the faceplate of the shield, and these are going to be up high on the walls, so you need to turn on this low gravity feature. There are 4 plates that you stand on, and you just stand on them until they illuminate that blue thing, and they'll stay on. And what's going to happen is you're going to have intervals of low gravity, and during that time you can wall run and go up really high and grab these shield parts. There are 3 locations in this room, and again, they're all up high, and one spot is going to be above this doorway, and this doorway goes to a teleporter, and you'll be able to see it. But there's 2 little pins that you could see there, and that's holding one of the shield pieces. You can actually see the faceplate where it is going to be located, and it's right above this area where you assemble the pack-a-punch. Again, wait for the low gravity to kick in. It's going to turn on automatically, like on and off, as long as you've done those 4 plates in the center of the room. Once the low gravity is on, you can just wall run up and grab the pieces. The last location is on the outside of one of the keepers, and there are 4 keepers surrounding this pyramid right here, and you can just go up there and grab it, and then there is a workbench right there, so that's really convenient. Go ahead and build that, and now you've got a shield. There are 2 other workbench locations, but I like this one the best so far. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.